Hi, this is Mike. Welcome to Refab. I am affiliated with Amazon. If I use a part purchase from Amazon, I will include a link in the description. If you use a link and purchase anything, I will get a small kickback, which helps support this channel. If I use any Amazon items, I will flash a notice like this. Today's project, I'm going to mount this first aid kit onto that refrigerator. Yeah, I gotta get some insulation on there and clean up this edge so it doesn't look terrible. Yeah, at the inside I didn't put a lot of love into it. This refrigerator was kind of junky. If I just tape a thin piece of foam around this edge here. I'm going to cut out a big thick piece of foam to put in the hole when it's not being used, to save on the power. Look, two of my favorites.